Okay, this video looks at the circumference. The circumference is just another name for the perimeter of a circle. So what we're finding is the distance around the outside of these circles. For circumference there is two formulas. The two formulas are C, standing for circumference, equals pi times by d, standing for the diameter. And the second formula is C for circumference equals 2 pi r. These formulas are both used for the circumference of a circle, and which one you use depends on what information you're given. In the example A here, the 24 centimetres is the diameter of the circle, diameter being the name given to a straight line across a circle that goes through its centre. So the 24 in this one, that circle gives us the diameter. In the second circle here, B, 5 metres is marked on. That 5 metres is called the radius. The radius is the straight line distance from the centre of a circle to the circumference, or to the outside. That is called the radius. So what we do in this first example here, we are given the diameter, so this is the formula we use, and we simply write circumference equals pi times by 24, because the diameter is 24. We then use our calculator, and into our calculators we put the pi button, and then we times that by 24, and the circumference is 75.39822,369 centimetres. If we were asked to round that up, or round that off to, let's say, 3 decimal points, what we do if we're asked to round to 3 decimal points, 1, 2, 3, we look at the 4th decimal point. If that number is greater than 5, then we would move this 8 here up 2 or up 1 to a 9. If, however, the 4th place decimal point is less than 5, then we simply leave this as 75.398 centimetres. Looking at our second example here, we are given the radius, so therefore we choose this formula, C equals 2 pi r, and we write C for the circumference equals 2 times by pi, and we write 5 instead of r because the radius is 5. If we put all that into our calculator, 2 times pi times 5, we get 31.41592,654. Again, let's round this off to 3 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3. We look at the 4th position. That's a 9. 9 being greater than 5, so that means we round this number up. So 31.416 centimetres. Okay, looking at the next example, we're asked to find the perimeter of this shape here. This is half a circle. So what we do for this is we find this distance here, the curved bit being half a circle. We need to remember that perimeter is the total distance around the outside, so then we have to add 12 because this length here is 12. So for the perimeter of this, we would use pi d because we're given the diameter being 12. We must remember it's only half a circle, so we want half of this. And then we add on 12 this top side. So we write the perimeter equals a half of pi times 12, 12 being our diameter, and then we add 12. If I put into my calculator pi times 12 and then half it, This bit is 18.849,555,92. Then I need to add my 12. So the perimeter of this shape is 30.849,555,92. Let's round this one to 2 decimal places. So to 2 decimal places, we go 1, 2. Let's look at the one immediately after that, the 3rd decimal place. It's a 9, 9 being greater than 5, which rounds this one up 1 to a 5. So it's 30.85 centimetres for the perimeter of this shape. So just going over it again quickly at the end, for the perimeter of this shape we find the curved bit, which is half a circle, and then we add the 12 across the top.